Good morning and welcome to my space. So we're at Dadar now and my name is Alvin Sylvester, by the way, and welcome to my space. So we're off to a place where we get loans very easily. क्या बोलते हैं? Lonavala. So 6:52 का ट्रेन है इंटरसिटी एक्सप्रेस फ्रॉम दादर. Seven is here. 51 is there. 51 here. 51 is there. No. It's been a long time I have sat in a train going towards Lonavala or somewhere else. We usually travel by car. 7 o'clock. Train was right on time. 6:50. It was early, I guess. And they've changed the whole set. The whole seating area they've changed. Gujarat में अगर वड़ा पाव is not eaten, then what? So now we have like approximately 15 to 20 minutes to reach Lonavala, and we passed through Gujarat and very famous for vada pav. Make sure you have vada pav when you pass Gujarat. So we reached. We reached Lonavala. It changed a lot here. Like a lot. They have decorated the whole Lonavala because of Holi. Tomorrow is Holi now. So we will be spending Holi in Lonavala this year. So rickshaw here, you don't work on meters. Touch. I'll give you the room tour later. Room tour, no, villa tour. This is the balcony. Finally here. In approximately 2.5 hours and we're here. I've been here on bikes बट ट्रेन में बहुत टाइम के बाद है. बाइक पहले बाइक था नहीं उस टाइम. दैट टाइम हैज़ टू गेट कम हियर बाय ट्रेन, बट we came by train this time. Had nice breakfast and above. क्या प्लान है अभी? अभी तो कुछ प्लान एक है तो शूट करने का. अपना घर का मॉडल है ना, उसका शूट करने का. एंड देन सोच रहा हूँ व्हेन आई एम थिंकिंग व्हेन आई शुड क्लिक सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ माई सेल्फ, बट नाउ लेट्स सी. आई एम नॉट सो श्योर. आई एम वेरी, मेरा फोटो इतना अच्छा आता ही नहीं. नो कम्स वेरी नाइस. इट्स लाइक out of 100 only 3 to 4 photos are decent of mine. So now we'll click some and look at the view. I'll show you the room. That was the balcony. This is another room. This is the living, the dining. This is the tea area. Whatever, tea to have tea. So this place is called Rahija Cottage. लंबे वाले तीन आया. देख ले. So I managed to click some decent pictures. I tried in monochrome as well, but we just started. We are the famous market of Lonavala. We get all chikkis there, Magallan, Sunrise and Purohits. Cash निकालना and then we'll head towards the market. I love what they've done to the place. They've revamped it fully. That station अब अच्छा बना दिया है. And a lot of things have improved. Roads are good. We came here to see some bonfires, but अब तक दिखा नहीं मेरे को एक भी. So I don't know now where अभी शायद से where we are living there उसके आसपास रहना चाहिए. But now hope so I get some shots from there. That guy took pride way too seriously. But it's a good thing, I guess. It's a good thing. कैसा लग रहा है? मज़ा आ रहा है कि नहीं? नहीं, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. हाँ ना, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है ना. जा नाच उधर कि नाच. So we've taken some cookies and now back to the villa. हो गया अभी. First, done some shopping, some chikki and bus. That's it. अभी खाने का and then सोने का. See you on some time. Had nice dinner and I just went for a walk. The temperature here around is around like 23, 22, 23, 24ish. It's very pleasant. So I'll end the vlog here only. First part of the Lonavala series. Tomorrow plan nothing. So as I said, I'll click some pictures of myself. So I'll see you in the next vlog then. Till then, love and peace. Bye.